Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error code 280 outdated error in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error is occurred due to the Roblox client on your device is not the latest version and cannot connect to the game server. Yeah, let's fix it. Yeah, before going to the step, we need to close the background running Roblox app. Using the task manager, you need to close it. After you closed the app, just enter into your system settings. Here what we are going to do is we are ensuring our date and time. For that you need to enter into your time and language, following that date and time, and ensure that your date and time is up to date. Yeah, you can also do it by enabling it automatically like zone and time. Okay, once it finished, we are stepping to second step. Yeah, here what we are going to do is we are just checking our application is up to date or not. If you're using the browser version or you're downloaded your Roblox using the browser, in the sense, just enter into your roblox.com and download the updated version on it. I'm just showing the browser version over here. And if you are using your Microsoft version of Roblox, just enter into your Microsoft version and whether it asking for update, in the sense you can update using your Microsoft store itself. Once it done, we are stepping to the next step. Yeah, it's a third step. Search for device manager. To open your device manager, here what we are going to do is we are going to update our network adapter. Yeah, first two network adapter we need to be update. For that you need to right click and get into the properties, or you may directly click the update driver. Search for driver to update. If it's in updated condition, just enter into your search for update driver on Windows Update, or you may close. Once you click the Windows Update, it just navigated the site to Windows Update system settings and it will update. Likewise you need to do for another one. Yeah, it just navigate to your Windows Update tab. Yeah, it may take some time, have some passion to wait on it. Yeah, it shows some other security updates and firewall updates, so let it be, let it download and update it. Once this done, we are just entering into the same settings. Yeah, it's a fourth step. Enter into the app and installed app. What we are going to do is we are just resetting our Roblox application. Search for Roblox and repair, and you may also reset. And note it, this is only available once you are installed the application via Microsoft Store. If you are not installed the application via Microsoft Store, if you are installed your application in the using a browser, in the sense, this option will not be shown over there in the settings. Now here I pressed the repair option and it's loading. And once you click the reset option, it will delete your credentials, so be aware of it. Sometimes the repair option may take some longer time to repair the Roblox application. Yeah, once you click the reset, it always shows that the credential may be deleted permanently and you need to log in again to open your Roblox application. Once it's done, we are stepping into our fifth step. Just click Windows R and percentage local app data percentage, and then enter into temp file, and locate the Roblox folder and delete the Roblox folder. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope the video is useful, and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.